Aeroflex Industries Ltd, a flexible flow solution manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 1993 and got listed on NSE and BSE in 2023. They are based in Mumbai, with more than 420 employees. They have one manufacturing plant located in Taloja, Maharashtra, with production capacity of 13.5 million meters. Company plans to increase its production capacity to 16.5 million meters by fiscal year 2025. The market cap of the company is 1,987 crore rupees, and currently trading at 154 rupees per share. The company has a 23% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 58% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company is almost 100% debt-free, after repaying the loan debt in September 2023. Two main products of the company are flexible hoses and assemblies in fittings. They also manufactures products like expansion bellows, EGR tubes, and compensators. About 62% of the revenue is generated from flexible hoses, 31% from assemblies and fittings, and 7% from others. These products are used in diverse industry segments for various applications. About 24% of the revenue is generated from steel industry, 16% from oil and gas, 15% from petrochemicals, 8% from refinery, 5% from mining, and 32% from others. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 3 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Some clients of the company are Indian Oil, Tata Steel, Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd, ONGC, Bharat Petroleum, BHEL, and more. The company has many clientele from domestic and international market. About 60% of the revenue is generated from Americas, 27% from Europe, 10% from Asia, 2% from Africa, and 1% from other countries. Coming to some key highlights. In 2024, company acquired 100% stake in HYD Air Engineering, which manufactures hydraulic fittings. In 2023, company received India's Top Exporter Award from Economic Times. In September 2023, company procured a land parcel near the existing facility for expansion. Company is setting up a metal bellow plant by fiscal year 2024, with a production capacity of 3 lakh units. Company offers more than 1,825 diverse products. They export to more than 87 countries from Asia, Americas, Europe, and Africa, with a revenue concentration of 85% from exports and 15% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.